The curious Verge TS has been revealed in preparation for production, boasting an innovative approach to electric motorcycle design, not least its eye-catching hubless rear quarter. Since then, though, the Finnish company has undergone a change of brand and spent the last 32 months honing the design and technology to bring the Verge E2 to market. The result is a bike that stays true to the concept, which means it remains a head-turner and is arguably more attractive than most electric-powered creations, even if the hefty midsection of the bike leaves you in no doubt this bike runs on lecky rather than petrol. Beyond that rear end, which we will get to in a moment, the rest of the design features a blunt front end that borrows rather heavily from the new Suzuki GSX-S 1000, though it does also remind us of staring down the barrel of a gun too. The hubless design is a thing of wonder, not least because pairing it doesn't really give away its secrets. The electromagnets in the rim repel one another, allowing the outer portion of the rim to turn and thus drive the bike forward. Clever stuff, and there are genuine benefits for the real world too. According to Verge, the TS produces 80 kilowatts and 1000 Newton-meters of torque, propelling you to 100 kilometers per hour in under 4 seconds and get on all the way up to 180 kilometers per hour. It also says it can reach a range of 200 to 300 kilometers, with 15 minutes of charging allowing 100 kilometers of range. With the industry-first integrated motor featuring no chains, no oils and minimal maintenance, the Verge TS is certainly a very interesting take on the electric motorcycle formula, and we can imagine some of the more mainstream manufacturers will be porting over this to get some ideas. Prices start at €24,300, putting it in range with the Energica Ego, but more than the recently relaunched LiveWire ONE.